Today, we're going to learn how to quickly convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. Let's start with converting an improper fraction into a mixed number. Take 125/8, for example. We can express this as a division. 125 divided by 8. The result is 15, with a remainder of 5. The remainder of 5 can be written as 5/5/8, since it's part of the whole 8. So the mixed number becomes 15 5/8. Simple, right? That's the pattern we use for conversion. But have you ever wondered why it works this way? Let's explore the reason behind it. Suppose we have a fraction 43/6, and we want to write it as a mixed number. To do that, we need to separate the whole number from the fraction. But how to separate it? By using division. Fractions can be written as division. 43 divided by 6 gives us 7 with a remainder of 1. Here, 7 is the whole number, and the remainder 1 is the numerator. 1 is a fraction 1/6, as the remainder 1 is part of the whole. So, the final mixed number is 7 1/6. Now let's look at how to convert a mixed number back into an improper fraction. To do this, we first convert the whole number into a fraction, then add the existing fractional part. For example, with 15 5/8, we keep the denominator 8. Multiply the whole number 15 by the denominator 8. Then we add the numerator 5/5. And the new numerator becomes 120 plus 5 equals 125. So, we got 125/8. Thanks for watching. Next time, we'll learn about multiplying fractions.